are you doing here again? What are you trying to do? Get me in trouble?
No, take time with your voice.
You don't understand. Even Skinny Dad is here. The place is even more crowded.
Skinny father?
Yes, he came from foreign the other day.
Foreign?
Yes.
Wait. Take time talk. You can't talk then sing too loud. Shh, wait. Take time talk. Calm down. Why you can't move so?
You don't understand. This is big trouble, Taj. And why can't I get your phone from the other day? What's going on?
You don't know, so
We're too close. We're too close. Take
talk facts in the table. You stay in the girl.
Taj,
That's why I love it.
what's going on? Why?
Listen.
Why haven't I been getting your phone, Taj? Are we over? Is it true?
No, listen.
Taj,
Baby, listen to me.
I don't believe you understand.
Babe, calm down. Just calm down. Listen, just calm down. Okay? I love you.
I love you too, and
I had to come and see you.
I don't want this to end, Taj. I'm not even planning to be with Skinny that long anyways, but you have to make it right.
You don't even have to tell me that twice, and you know that. Come on.
But this...
Come on.
Taj.
Come on. You know this. Listen. Everything's gonna be alright.
I don't want to lose you.
You're not gonna lose me. I'm gonna make everything work, okay?
What about the money? I can't leave Skinny. You're not making as much money.
We say I have to leave. Listen. Is Skinny the breadwinner? No. Shh, let me talk. It's his father. He just told me that he's coming from where?
He already came.
Right, man. Thank you for your correction. That even made it more even clear to me that we can survive. On this earth, you should always try to survive and look for the best option, even though sometimes the best option is hard to choose. But listen, Skinny father is the real deal. What if I could make it that we survive?
But how? Taj, you really gonna make this work?
I am, baby.
I hope you get it together because I don't see a life without you. Even when you're not around, I just don't know how to stand Skinny.
It's okay. It's gonna be alright.
It's too hard. I need you. Please don't never leave me, Taj.
I'll never leave you.
I just don't see a life without you.
Listen. It will all be set in due time, okay?
You promise?
Have I ever broken a promise I ever said? Always.
Boy, Pops, till a long time now, this ain't Pops.
You need to do it more often, man.
You know?
Son, go and pull the back door from me.
But, alright, Pops.
I'm so happy, Taj, that you're in my life.
Of course.
You wouldn't even understand.
True, baby.
You're the only man I've ever loved.
Just feel weird. For real. Like that for real.
Yeah.
I don't even have to ask if I really need that. Like, I don't even want to know if
Taj, don't be funny. But anyways, you need to go now. You need to go now, so.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Listen now.
What about the phone? I can't get you. Oh.
You need to try if you get a phone for me to get some money. You have little access to little phones and things. One little phone now.
So what happened to your phone?
I do not know.
Okay, babe. Anything for you. I'll try and figure it out, okay?
Yes, babe.
You need to go now because you need to go now, okay? Yeah. Alright. You need to go. Wait, that skinny's father. Touch. Not the room. That skinny and his dad, the front door.
Yeah. What you are doing at my house? Cookie, how old is man here? It's who this man in my house?
Babe, is that why that tone of voice?
What do you mean about tone of voice? Me no come go road and come back now, me see man in my house.
Remember when you said you needed somebody for the lawn? I was being considerate, babe. I thought about you, and that's why.
I better cut the land.
Babe!
Outside me, chief.
Bless up my father, everything.
Cho, man, for Cho. So I name.
You know, say a touch.
For Cho.
Irie, for Cho.
I saw for Cho.
Yeah, man, I saw for Cho.
Yeah.
So this man are doing at my house.
Oh, the pipe was having a little leak, and because he said he did a bit of plumbing job, I was showing him the pipe.
So you can do plumbing and them thing them G.
Yes, we fix any form of plumbing.
Any leakage.
Like how Pops then can work, man.
Yes.
Hey, Pops!
Touch, this is not gonna work. And Tracy is even here. So what is this? This is a big problem.
Listen to me. Stop worrying about this Tracy lady. Why you keep on worrying about Tracy? It's easy.
I'm
it's
concerned about myself and my position in this house.
That means you haven't been listening to what I've been saying to you. Believe in me. You did good. What you just did here is good. This is just a part of the plan.
This is crazy.
I love what you did here, actually.
This is crazy.
Shh. You believe in me? You believe in me? So me I gonna make you happy and survive.
Taj, are you crazy?
I'm not crazy. Why you keep
Pops. This guy here, where's the name again? Taj, yeah, I'm going to do the cutting. Yeah, so you can't just deal him, Pops, guy. I know my package join.
Yeah, man, I'll take care of him. Nice to meet you, Mr. Touch.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Hi, my name is Rolling Dice, so you can call me Mr. Dice.
Okay, Mr. Dice.
Yeah. So, Cookie and Skinny, welcome the new member of the family.
Hey, Pops, hey, nobody out that. Nobody out no family thing, man. The man come for work, What kind of family talking about?
So, oh, you didn't say nothing when I said Tracy is a part of the family?
But Pops have made clean house and things. The guy just cut the land. Him not to work in the house. Him not have to do it in the house, Pops.
It don't matter. Yeah,
Pops,
what you do?
family.
You're scared of him taking away your wife or something?
What? Pops, yeah.
He don't look like in the shit.
Nobody can take my movie for life.
Too glass.
Pops.
But I can see you're very considerate, Cookie.
Yes,
You're such a darling. Yeah. Okay, you can show him around and let him know exactly what to be done.
Okay, Dad.
And the garden needs some water, so you can let him start off from there. Okay?
No problem.
Yeah.
This way.
Alright, out there, sir?
Yes, this way.